In this video, we will go over how to access the upload portal so that you are able to upload your regular season rosters. Please note, you cannot upload your regular season rosters until you have franchised for the 2021 season and have login credentials set up to access your league in the system. Once you have completed those two steps, log in to dixiesoftball.sportsaffinity.com. When you are logged in, you will be on your league's dashboard. On the dashboard, you will notice there are several drop downs and buttons across the top of the screen. There is a button named Upload. That is how you will access the self-service upload portal to upload your rosters. Two important pieces of data that you will need to add to your upload to make sure that players and coaches are uploaded onto the teams in the system are the team ID and the play level codes. The team IDs and the play level codes can both be found under the team lookup. Team lookup is located under the teams on team dropdown. When you go to Team Lookup, you will see all the teams that you franchised for the 2021 season. You will notice the Team ID column as well as the LVL column, which stands for play level. If you have 10 players that need to go on the same exact team, all 10 of those players will need the same exact team ID listed with their information on the upload sheet. They also will all need the same exact play level code in the play level column on the Excel upload sheet. Once you are comfortable with locating your team IDs and play level codes, it might be a good idea to take note of them. That way, when you're filling out the Excel sheet, you know all of your play level codes and all of your team IDs that each player needs to be on. Once you have that information, you can begin filling out your upload sheet. The upload Excel sheet can be found in the upload portal. So you would click on upload. That will take you into the upload portal. You will click start upload. You'll notice it says single club and multi-club. However, all you need to worry about is single since you are one league. Notice that the player and admin, which is the term the system uses for coaches, are two separate uploads. Admins and players, or coaches and players, cannot be uploaded on the same sheet. They have to be done separately. However, you can list multiple teams on one upload sheet. So if you have 3 teams worth of players and 3 teams worth of admins, you only need 2 upload Excel sheets, one with all of your players and one with all of your coaches or admins. The way that the system will know where to place each coach and admin and player is by the team ID. Once you have your upload sheets ready, this is what they should look like as the end result. Here is an example of a player upload sheet. It's important to note not to change the columns or headers. These all must remain the same, otherwise the upload portal will reject the upload. Notice that last name is first. Please make sure to have the players' last names in column A, players' first names in column B. For the gender, this is Dixie Girls Softball. All that is required is a F in column F. Column H is probably the second most important column because the upload will not be accepted unless there is a play level code here. So notice that there is the same play level code for the first 14 players or so. That is because they are all Angels players and they're all going on the same team. Another thing to note is we do need the address, city, state, and zip code of at least one parent or guardian. We also need one listed. We do not need both parents or both guardians. We need one phone number. We do not need all of the phone numbers. We highly recommend that an email address is provided for at least one of the parents. That way, if they want to access the system, they can use the forgot password button to get a reset link sent to their email. If they don't have an email, they will have difficulty accessing the system. The most important column is column X. This is the Team ID column. We strongly recommend that you copy and paste the Team IDs directly into the system into the Team ID column. That will avoid typing the Team ID and possibly mistyping and having the system reject the upload because it doesn't recognize the Team ID. The Team ID is very important. That way you do not have to manually roster players in the system. If each player and each coach has a Team ID correlated with their information on the upload sheet, they will be uploaded directly onto the roster. Otherwise, they will need to be manually rostered after they are uploaded. Once you have this sheet filled out, you are ready to begin processing your upload. You will notice that it is a 5-step process, and as long as the upload sheet is filled out properly, it is fairly painless. You will just select your district. It will also list your state, and then you'll notice it will pre-populate with the league name and the season that the data is going to enter. From there, you will click Next and just follow the steps across the top of the screen, and your data will be uploaded, and you will be emailed a copy of the upload results. If you have questions or you need assistance with the self-service upload portal, for the quickest assistance, please contact tech support via telephone. You can access tech support's phone number by clicking Help at the top of the screen. When you click Help, it will open the Dixie Softball Help Center, where you will see technical contact information. You will then find the phone number to reach tech support, and if you click here for current support hours, it will display the current up-to-date hours of operation. Please note that these times are in Pacific Standard Times. I hope that this video you find useful.